primary training biplanes. Back in the days of the U.S. Army Air Corps, they had 3 designations for trainers. They had a PT, or primary trainer. They had a BT, or basic trainer. And they had an AT, in the L-39 Albatros. This aircraft, west of Philadelphia, is at the controls, and he owns 2 of these beautifully restored L-39s. As he goes through a maximum performance aileron roll and now reverses it to the right. He's sitting there with his flight suit, helmet, G-suit, doing a beautiful, graceful routine to help start off the 2005 NAS Oceana Airshow. He went through 5/8 of the loop, and when he was coming down to 45 out of the float on the top of the loop, he rolled the airplane upright. And then he did the same thing in the other direction. Well, since Len Povey was also at the time training then Cuban leader Batista's Air Force, they asked the announcer, what was that maneuver? And since he was working for the Cubans, the announcer said Len Povey's maneuver was called the Cuban 8. Len Povey was too low, Alan Smith was not, but he comes down to 45 and rolls the airplane upright. There is 1/2 of the 8. He will dive toward the ground, picking up speed to almost 375 miles per hour. Biggest customer of this Czech-built L-39 Albatros. The second biggest was Libya with about 1,400 purchased. All right, as Alan Smith now pulls up, this is a beautiful sight with such beautiful sky that we've got going here. Alan Smith now going through 5,000 feet above the ground, and as he does, he's in the float. He comes back down the backside, picking up speed again. Alan Smith now doing a big old barnstormer's loop, the basic loop that you see right there, ladies and gentlemen, in that beautiful L-39 Albatros. Let's give Alan Smith a nice hand. Check, check. also see 8-point rolls. A lot of precision that controls his bank and his pitch going up and down, and then he's got 2 rudder pedals at his feet, which work the rudder on the vertical stabilizer on the back. That allows him to coordinate his turns and control the yaw just a little bit. As Alan Smith comes through and does a 4-point hesitation roll, he brings the nose up and throws that stick to the left and stops in the knife edge, and every 90 degrees stops it. You'll see 8-point rolls. You'll see today, and if you look from the right now, here's a great shot as he banks sharply to the left. You look right down on that beautiful L-39 Albatros. Powered by a 4,850 pound of thrust turbofan engine. Alan Smith started out in college at Penn State in medical school. War. A talented pilot, a great guy, and let's see if he's setting up to land here. It looks like he may be. He is a naval aviator, and he too is looking at that carrier deck thinking, I used to do this in a bigger airplane, but it looks like his approach is going to take him right down on the numbers. And as Alan Smith lands, ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to turn the microphone over to the announcer for the only mother-son air show team in the business. Announcing for Nancy Lynn, please welcome to the stage